Did you know hiccups can be mysterious? They begin with an unexpected spasm. But what triggers this spasm? Some foods can shock your system, or even a sudden temperature change. Then, your diaphragm goes into overdrive. This creates that familiar sound, hic. But how do we stop these hiccups? One way is to hold your breath. This increases carbon dioxide, calming the diaphragm. Drinking water can also help. But there's a catch. Too much water might just make it worse. Another trick? Sugar. It stimulates the vagus nerve, which helps reset your hiccups. Finally, distraction can work wonders. So next time you hiccup, remember these tricks. And if you enjoyed this, like and subscribe.